Hello everyone, this is going to be general read. I hope that you all are fine. So let's start with the reading. Sending you love all the way from planet Earth. Namaste. Let's start, okay? So if you wish to support the channel, you may do so via PayPal, UPI, GPay ID, and I'm on Instagram if I haven't mentioned. Links are easily available. Even my Gmail is there. You to book private readings. Okay. There's going to be a stop in your life. A stop means where either you are going to get off from the bus kind of and that is the stop for you, or someone is stopping by. Okay. um Two messages more. Grasshopper could be your totem. There is going to be a hop. Okay, and this is a green grasshopper. I'm not talking about the brown one or something. I mean the literal green one, very bright yellow and green mix. Okay, so this could be a message for you, for some of you, where this is a person's energy and it's going to be hopping because it's the season and something is going to get activated. This could be a connection getting activated. This hop is also about they come by season, so this could be a seasonal presence of someone possible. So if it is that, please consider, reconsider. If it's someone new, you're going to just see it. Okay, like you'll know. Also there is like someone is sliding the door kind of, which but I what I saw is like someone is waking up from their deep sleep and like coming after like a hibernation basically. You'll just know what I'm talking about. If it's something new or new connection or new interest, you'll know. But if it's someone who is waking up and is having a pattern of ghosting, going away and suddenly appearing, reappear, you'll know. For some, that kind of situation is here. And actually what I saw was like um it's like basically, how to explain, was that a movie Crude? Okay, the Crudes, am I right? And the way they have the stone in front of their cave to protect that, and then they used to just get inside, all of them, and they used to just cover that up. So basically that kind of stone, when it's going to be dragged, okay, they make the sound that does come from that stone, the big one, boulder, big one, that kind of sound I heard and I saw that, like, sort of situation. Someone is coming out from that. So they're coming out from their cave, from their deep sleep, from their hibernation, from, something that they're waking up to their emotions or feelings again, kind of. If that is a pattern, you'll know. You need to be very careful regarding such energies or people, because you know what, we miss and they don't talk and then they come again because they want. So it's not about you like a pizza, when you like it you are going to order, and when I like it you don't even consider. There's difference in staying in connection. Okay, so please be mindful of that. I do feel like this whatever you went through, okay, dissatisfaction, loss of affection, love loss, and a lot of hurt situations, and then what I see here is as if like someone is checking on, is it still available, like, are you still available for them to talk, are you still available, kind of. I hope you understand this, that what I'm talking about. You have bottom energy as Five of Pentacles here. That was a big loss. Okay, and when someone is returning means they lost it, or they ignored it, or they gave you those wounds, disappointing situations, drained you with money. And if that is the case, darling, if you did help them, you, not just emotions, okay, even if physical, okay, a lot of things are connected when you talk to someone. And money wise, financial help, if you ever gave that and then did something, whatever was bad to you, did hurt you, and now they're, when returning again, they're definitely hoping, they're an opportunist and they might be feeling like, is it still available, because they need money for sure. Okay, I'm telling you that this could be very heavy. Okay, I'm seeing this with you. You know what, my camera is not doing justice with these cards. They are literally very different, unique, and I just like it. Okay, so this is King of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Could be a listener or a dealer, but look at this. So they're looking in your direction. The feeling that, are you still available, that they can control you or manipulate you for whatever reason? My God. Please be careful, with, especially with such patterns in people. Oh, yeah. What is coming? What is the card? Please give me the card. Please show me the meaning. Show me the meaning. Maybe that's your question within self, with yourself and with universe, that show me the meaning of this connection. Is it worth or not? Because when we are emotional, especially connected with the exes or someone, and we always wanted them to connect with us, and then when they do, if they do, because they do, when they are opportunists or something like that, and they just live by the pattern, we need to open our eyes very clear to the reality check, that what is this? Because you need to know, you really need, that when people love you, whoever love you, the special, they won't abandon you. The love is genuine. They cannot see you, they cannot leave you in a hurtful situation, darling. When love is true, people are going to connect with you, stay in touch with you, and heal together. Heal together. It's it doesn't work like that. And if it is working like that, it's not love. It's not. I mean, for rare cases, genuine reasons, we can consider, but not like this. Yes, we do face challenges, but that doesn't mean that people stop talking. They don't, and they won't. If they are doing it, such energies in my eyes, they're ridiculous, pathetic. Okay? Don't give them the chance. Well, you have Page of Swords here. You have Page coming from someone who lied to you, who stole your heart and disappointed you and gave you a temporary feeling. Beneath it is Seven of Swords. And you kept thinking for months, for at least 7 to 8 months, possible or more than that. But Page of Swords. What are they looking for? Could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or listener or dealer. Let me see now what is coming. Show me, show me, show me. Show me the card. Show me the, yes, yes, yes. They said just a flip. And after so much of anxiety and stressful nights, I do feel like here ASAP someone is going to connect. There's communication coming. Knight of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Just look at this card. Okay. So communication is coming. When it's coming, or it already came by the time you're going to listen to this reading, you've been stressing over for months. Okay. And now when it's coming, you might be feeling also in the present scenario that what to do. Communication from past is coming for some of you, not for all, but this is also very important communication for you. It's going to be rushed, but I would suggest you don't go in a rush just because this communication is coming in a rush. Even if it's something new in your life, even if it's connected with work in your life, don't just fall for that in one go, and don't rush the communication. People are, they could be pathetic. Okay, so just don't fall for such things very soon, because in love there shouldn't be any hurry, and if it's hurry, it's lust. If it's just that it's a pattern, it's a time pass. They can't even land properly. How they're going to talk, how they're going to have patience with you. Don't get so vulnerable and overwhelmed in situations when it's just a week, and or even they have a pattern and you know that. Then you're going to just stay in for anxiety and this cold aura because it doesn't matter. Especially if you're dealing with someone, and this could be for some of your energies, especially if you're dealing with someone who is having a weird profile. Weird in a way, they always wear mask or something, they cover up their faces, they just do this like this, they like this, okay, hats, stuff like that. If it's a woman or a man, okay, especially I've seen such profiles of male energies, okay, around like in random reels and all. It's so pathetic. Like they're going to say, it's my style. Fuck that style. You're not even clear and you're DMing people, girls around, women around. I usually don't say these. I do say if it turns up, because people need to hear the reality, real thing, okay? They are FUCKERS. I'm telling you that they are. So you need not to rush. You have peace in your life. Why you want to ruin it? Don't do that with yourself, please. Okay, you have good work. Okay, you have sober life. You're good with like you go getting groceries, or you're just doing some fun activities at home. You have people who love you, friends, a friend. Just don't fall for such stupid people. Okay, at least I can tell you this. At least I can, when I'm here. So like that. But there is also some communication coming that could be connected with your life as in general regarding your work or someone. Okay. uh, Definitely someone is rushing towards or in your direction. Okay. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. For some of you, very very clear, very clear. Like I just did the cut here and you have Six of Cups energy. So someone from recent distant past looking for you, checking on whether it's the flowers are still fresh, whether the feeling is still fresh, whether the connection is still there. For some of you, yes. Okay, if it's genuine, you'll know. If it's not, you'll know. You will just know. I know that. Okay, because we are smart. Let's see what is coming again in the present scenario. No, that was quick. Reconnecting energy. Bottom energy is Three of Cups. Reconnecting energy somehow, somewhere down the lane. So communication from someone who does feel emotionally tangled with you. King of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Important communication, or could be emotional also, but a little bit tangled. They are in your thoughts, yes. But this King of Cups is different from others. They've fought their emotions quite well. They've kept their feelings hidden quite well. They are also upset. Someone is upset about their own life decisions or things like that. Um, Someone could be frustrated or feeling strangled or entangled in their own thoughts, and could be even angry. I don't know, is this anger connected with you, your life, your decisions, or that you don't react the way they want, or their own life is having this, like, they could be short tempered, but angry. They're angry. Why they're angry? And they're literally trying to not get angry and keep all those things at the back burner right now for some reason, because the love they hold for you, I do feel like they're chained to some things that they can't leave. Or maybe they're angry because they know something about you, especially people who are connected here. Okay. So what is coming in future? So there's very heavy emotional chaos, emotional communication, may get a little heated up. There's frustration in this person, I see. Maybe it's desire to be with you, and even if they are with you, they have something that is giving them some kind of stress. Okay, let's see what is coming in the future. Now, for some of you, something that is already dead, kind of like you did the rest in peace kind of situation to emotions or something, is going to resurge here and it's going to be up in the air, which is also emotional communication. As I see here, you have Page of Cups. So Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces again. There could be age gap between you and the person, or if that's not the case, again, emotions are dwelling here, getting highlighted here. I see message of admiration. I see someone wanting to be with you so bad. Maybe they want to return to the same point the way they were with you. Yes, yes, yes. Of course, if it was like the end or breakup or something, or you were, you people got separated, Three of Swords, or you people have trouble in the relationship. I also feel like maybe the same person does want to mend the ways or mend things with you. And if it's someone else, because there are characters also, so this could be different person as well. Suitors could be, or someone you did connect. But again, if this is the same person again, someone does want to mend something again. They might be remembering you and them way back kind of energy. Okay, yes, someone wanting to do this. Okay, you have Ten of Pentacles, peekaboo in the future. Someone want to give you the commitment, so this could be totally new energy as well. Or this could be someone who want to mend this and make things proper, especially they want to have their finances sorted out and they want to build things for you and them in the future with loyalty. You may have one child here, okay, more than that could be, but it's prediction kind of like there is something that I see in the card, but it's not there, but I do see it's kind of like a frog is there. So with that, I do feel like the season of change might be coming and this frog is looking for you, and this could be your prince or princess in the way. So kiss of love is waiting, possible. Ten of Pentacles, interesting cards. I like them. When I like the cards, they're they're different, nice. Building things with you, someone wanting to build things with you in order to feel this love with you. Okay, so take care and see you soon. Bye bye.